Hello everyone, I'm Little Bits of History, and it's time for another coin unboxing. As I said in the last one, there's a lot of estate sales currently going on that are being packaged and sold on eBay in various cool little mystery boxes. And it's a good way for a new person to get started on their coin collection. This one particularly is from Midwest Coins off eBay. It costs about $60, which is 20 more than I spent last time. But this one's supposed to, one of the things it promises is a complete mint set. So I'm kind of excited to see that. So without further ado, let's see what we got. Now, right away, I think I see a bill of some form pointed at the top, so let's get that out here. Oop, let's not just yet. Ooh, blue stamp, blue stamp. Hello, that is a silver certificate. Dollar bills like this were still actively backed by silver, and I'm pretty sure to this day you can exchange this for $1 worth of silver. Of course, the bill itself in collecting value is worth more than $1 worth of silver is now, but still a very fantastic piece of history and a great addition to any collection. Now, what I see here is probably the mint set. Ooh, and it is 1984 uncirculated set straight from the mint. Brilliant. Let's see what we got. A little booklet. And then, yeah, no, is there two here? Oh, no, it's P and D, Philadelphia and Denver. Both mints present here. That's probably the D and P tokens. Just noticed those. Yeah. 1984 at the time, so of course we got our nickel, our quarter, our Kennedy $50, our diamond or penny. Awesome. Excellent for the value, actually. Mint sets like this, since they're verified, especially with the packaging, are pretty easy to sell for a decent amount too, if you ever needed to, but I don't sell my coins. I'm just going to hoard this like all the others. Now next, to see what we got in here, I think I saw the rest of the coins are just kind of in this bag. So we're going to go through, and I see a little chunk of some form of metal, so let's get a better look at that in a moment. So right away here, I don't like these are all loose, but I will be putting them in clear plastic flips later. What we got here is we got another steel penny. I believe we got one in the last box. This one's a little rough, but always a great thing to add to a collection. Little steel penny. We got a mercury dime. Very nice. 90% silver. Any dime or quarter from 1964 and before, I believe, will be 90% silver. We got a bunch of wheat pennies. Always love to see Wheaties. Love me some Wheaties. I will search through those at a later date. Now, these ones are separate. I'm not positive why, but they're also Wheaties. I shall go through that later. We got some pennies. These look to be proof quality, actually, based on the high relief. What's that, 1955? Oh, they are very nice. Again, I don't like the fact that they're touching like this, but beggars can't be choosers. And this set was a good deal. Now we got a nice quarter. 1963, remember that rule I said? So this one is also 90% silver. Then we got another Wheatie in the way, and ooh, hello, Mr. Barber Dime. 1911, does that say? Again, also 90% silver, and a little bit lower quality, but still a wonderful little piece of history that any collector would be remiss not to have in their collection. And more Wheaties. Okay, Wheatie party. Hell yeah. Ooh, hello, Indian head cent. Very, very nice. 1906. That nice wreath there. Very nice. Then let's see, we got a nickel. What year is that nickel? 1944. Okay, so we got another wartime nickel. This would probably be 45% silver, I believe, because nickel was needed for the war effort. And then lastly, we got what looks like 3 coins left here. But we got another Indian head cent. This one being 1907. Oh, consecutive. 6 and 7. Awesome. A brilliant little buffalo dime. Buffalo nickel, sorry. What's the year on that? 1936. Very cool. And then lastly, another dime. I'm getting a lot of dimes lately. 1907. Liberty. I said nickel. I said dime. Whoops. Another lovely little thing. So all in all, I'd say that this set was a very good deal, especially just with the mint set and all these nice little like all times paid. Oh, I had another Mercury dime. And then silver certificates, always nice to see. Love that blue stamp. So all in all, $60 for this set. Not a bad deal at all, and it's a great place for a new coin collector to get started. This was Midwest Metals Exchange, actually. I think it's a coin exchange on eBay. The listing for this particular lot is still up. You won't get the same things I did, but you definitely be guaranteed to get a bill like this, a set, and a couple other things. If you look at the item description on eBay, it'll tell you exactly what they guarantee. And get out there, get your collection started, and enjoy collecting your little bits of history. Okay? Have a great day.